Honest Pride. Hey, now, how about you international fans? Go right with the O'Deer. What do you think, John Deere fans? Did you get her? National fans, we got one at 285. It's not red, but it's definitely international. 1486. Bob Cummings and Silverside. Got him buckled. See if the homework paid off over the winter. Steve had this tractor together once, got it together and realized it had an issue, and he got it back together the second time, so his first hooked again. Steve Danovic, 2 Deere. Good job there, folks. You notice that over the years, but he did run it pretty strong. He calls it the IH Express. Penalty. Awful lot of fluid. Glad to have the proposals over here. We appreciate these guys coming over and coming out and play with us. How about you, John Deere fans? Another strong running one here. Another good-looking John Deere 4010. Aiming for Orf Kuchers, 285 and 8. The distance to beat. White tongue green on black. Nick Capozzo, Cruel Intentions. The Karma Super Farm. All right, John Deere fans, we got one more shot at it. Steve Adams, Black Stick of Deer.